Welcome to Read in Minutes. Here's a short summary of the book, A Mind for Numbers: How to Excel at Math and Science by Barbara Oakley. If you enjoy it, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. A Mind for Numbers: How to Excel at Math and Science by Barbara Oakley is a highly practical and insightful book designed to help readers overcome the challenges of learning math and science. The author, drawing from her own experiences as well as extensive research in neuroscience and education, provides a wealth of strategies to master these often daunting subjects. Importantly, the book is not limited to students. It is equally valuable for professionals and lifelong learners aiming to improve their problem-solving and learning abilities. Oakley begins by dispelling the pervasive myth that some people are naturally gifted at math and science while others are not. She argues convincingly that with the right techniques, tools, and mindset, anyone can excel in these areas. Her personal journey, transitioning from someone who struggled with math to becoming an engineering professor, serves as an inspiring example. Her story reinforces the idea that determination, perseverance, and a willingness to learn can overcome initial difficulties. A central theme of the book is the distinction between two modes of thinking: focused and diffuse. Focused thinking occurs when we concentrate intensely on a specific problem or concept. This mode is essential for tasks that require attention to detail and step-by-step reasoning. Conversely, diffuse thinking is a more relaxed state that allows the brain to wander, make broader connections, and see the big picture. Oakley emphasizes that both modes are critical for effective learning. She advises readers to switch between them strategically. For example, stepping away from a problem to allow diffuse thinking to generate insights or solutions. Another key concept discussed is the interplay between working memory and long-term memory. Working memory is where we hold information temporarily while engaging with it, but its capacity is limited. To truly master material, it must be transferred to long-term memory. Oakley explains that this transfer requires deliberate practice and repetition over time, a process known as spaced repetition. Instead of cramming information all at once, she advocates revisiting material periodically to strengthen neural connections and improve retention. Procrastination is a common roadblock in learning, and Oakley provides practical strategies to tackle it. One effective method is the Pomodoro Technique, which involves working on a task for 25 minutes followed by a short break. This approach helps maintain focus while avoiding burnout. Additionally, breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps makes them less overwhelming, thereby reducing the temptation to procrastinate. The concept of chunking is another powerful tool Oakley highlights. Chunking involves grouping information into meaningful units, making it easier to understand and recall. For instance, instead of memorizing a long string of numbers, breaking them into smaller groups, like a phone number, makes the task simpler. This technique is particularly useful for grasping complex concepts, as it builds on existing knowledge and creates mental shortcuts. Through practice and application, learners can create mental chunks that allow them to solve problems more efficiently. Active learning is emphasized as a more effective alternative to passive methods like rereading or highlighting. Oakley suggests engaging actively with the material through self-testing, explaining concepts to others, and solving practice problems. These methods reinforce understanding, reveal gaps in knowledge, and enhance retention. Active learning requires effort, but it leads to deeper comprehension and long-term mastery. Mistakes, Oakley argues, are an integral part of the learning process. Rather than fearing or avoiding them, learners should embrace mistakes as opportunities for growth. Analyzing errors and understanding their causes can deepen comprehension and improve problem-solving skills. This mindset aligns with the concept of a growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through effort and perseverance. By adopting this perspective, learners can overcome challenges and persist in the face of setbacks. The book also underscores the importance of lifestyle factors like sleep and exercise in learning. Sleep plays a critical role in consolidating memories and processing information. Exercise, meanwhile, boosts cognitive function, enhances focus, and reduces stress. Oakley advises readers to prioritize these aspects of their lives to optimize their mental and physical capacity for learning. A particularly innovative strategy Oakley introduces is the use of metaphors and analogies to simplify abstract concepts. Relating new information to familiar ideas makes it easier to grasp and remember. For example, understanding electricity as analogous to water flow can make the concept more accessible. This approach leverages the brain's natural ability to recognize patterns and build connections, enhancing both understanding and recall. Oakley delves into the emotional aspects of learning, noting that negative emotions such as frustration and anxiety can hinder progress, while positive emotions like curiosity and confidence enhance motivation and creativity. She recommends techniques such as mindfulness, reframing challenges as opportunities, and celebrating small achievements to manage emotions effectively. Building a supportive learning environment and focusing on incremental progress can further boost confidence and perseverance. Collaboration is another vital theme in the book. Working with others can provide fresh perspectives, clarify doubts, and deepen understanding. Oakley encourages learners to join study groups, seek help when needed, and share their knowledge by teaching others. Teaching, in particular, is a powerful way to reinforce learning and identify gaps in understanding, as explaining concepts requires a clear and organized grasp of the material. Throughout the book, Oakley includes real-life examples and stories to illustrate her points. These anecdotes, drawn from her own experiences and those of others, make the concepts relatable and engaging. They demonstrate that overcoming difficulties in math and science is achievable with persistence and the right strategies. Whether it's a struggling student or a professional tackling a new challenge, these stories inspire readers to believe in their potential. The book concludes with practical advice for applying the strategies discussed. Oakley encourages readers to experiment with different techniques, adapt them to their needs, and continuously refine their approach. She emphasizes that learning is a lifelong journey and that the skills developed through studying math and science are applicable to many areas of life. By cultivating a proactive and adaptable mindset, readers can tackle challenges and achieve their goals. A Mind for Numbers is not merely a guide to excelling in math and science. It's a blueprint for transforming how we approach learning and problem solving. The strategies Oakley outlines empower readers to unlock their potential, build confidence, and thrive in any field. With its accessible language, actionable advice, and inspiring stories, the book serves as an invaluable resource for anyone seeking to enhance their learning abilities and succeed in intellectually demanding endeavors.